Hi, I'm Peter Haddock and we're here at the Liebherr press conference and we're going super electric today because there are lots of electric machines here and there's a power pack that's going to help power them all. Johannes, you are the first person I'm talking to today and we're talking about the 916E, folks, all electric, but we see the UMS logo as well. You've been working in the Netherlands where they've got a very restrictive industry, and UMS are helping you with this machine to make it all electric but able to work full shifts, and it's a big machine. What's the capacity of this?
The capacity of this is 260 kilowatt hours.
Right, and what's the machine size itself, the 916? What tonnage is the machine?
The tonnage of the machine, it's because of the battery package, approx 2 tons more than the normal.
Fantastic. So it's going to be about 18 then, is it?
Yeah.
Fantastic. So first of all, people, let's go and reveal the size of this big battery. We've literally got a whole mechanism here where you can lift it out, can't you?
You get it.
Yeah.
We have here a big battery package with 130 kilowatt hours, and this is a replaceable one. You can see up to there's the interlock. You have to push it out, and then you can lift it up and put another one there.
So literally you can take another battery to the job site where you're working, folks, and replace that straight away. This one can then be shifted out to be plugged in, or if you're just working those full shifts, done overnight on cheaper electricity. Right, we've got some big batteries. Let's go and have a look a bit further around to see some of the workings, because a big battery needs some big infrastructure at the back so that we can get it working, folks. So follow me around here. So what we see around here, folks, is all of the different elements that are needed and required in something like this. So we basically see the fundamentals of all the charging and all of the motor, which is inside there as well. Tell us a little about it.
Yeah, here you can see the electrified motor.
Yep.
We replaced the diesel engine, the normal. And here on this side, 1, 2, and in front of the counterweight, if you look through there, you see also 3 batteries.
3 more batteries?
3 more batteries with the capacity of another 130 kilowatt hours.
Another 130 kilowatt hours. What type of shift can this do with all of these batteries?
In the Netherlands, we have these machines running, and we have the running time of 7 to 9 hours.
Fantastic, 7 to 9 hours, folks. And of course, the biggest thing about a machine like this is it's a wheeled machine. Come over here, yes. So the most important thing is utilizing a machine like this on the job site. You can travel from site to site. You can also, in Europe, use a towed trailer to actually help take some of the bits you need with to replace the battery. So how does the battery get lifted out? What would you need to lift it out?
You have to maybe a wheel loader. Yeah, it's easy.
Well, and we've got an electric one of those coming up, folks. Yeah.
Some other machine we have to lift it out. Yeah.
So we've got all of the solutions here. This is actually working. This is the most important thing here. Actually working in the Netherlands. People are using this. You've got low emission zones. You're able to work, and also the thing about it is it's not on now, folks, but it's quieter, isn't it?
For sure.
And when you're working in inner city environments, that's another big plus, isn't it?
Yeah, for sure. You can ask our driver if you put on the machine, you can't hear anything.
Fantastic.
You don't recognize that machine is running at the time.
Well, I'll be getting the key shortly, folks, and we'll test that out and see when I turn it on, and there's no noise. So great to see here, again, working in this environment, a big excavator, 18 tons because of the weight of the battery. Need less of a counterweight there because you've got the battery as well. And it's all working, and therefore you can go on to the machine configurator that you just launched as well and get one of these ready to go, can't you?
And the machine configurator isn't there, but you have to,
joking,
you have to send an inquiry and we will work on it. Yeah.
And those team will get that sorted out, and you know, we've certainly got full charge and full speed ahead here with the wheel loader from Liebherr. Cheers.
Thank you.
So one electric to another electric as we come here to meet Mario, the electric wheel loader here. Nice to meet you, Mario.
Nice to meet you too.
This is a new product again from Liebherr that is fully electric. So tell us about the machine we've got there. First of all, what is it called? And then what's the capacity?
It's called L507E.
Yep.
E for electric, of course.
There you go.
Yeah, but it's the, as you all know, the common L507 stereo. It's the same platform, the same basis, and it has a battery with 32 kilowatts inside, kilowatt hours inside.
So when we talk about electric, everybody wants to know how long will the battery last in a normal environment. But obviously with a wheel loader like this, you're going to be running around, but also you're going to be parking it up and plugging it in, aren't you? So
Quite easy.
but what is that sort of working hours capacity in general terms?
Up to 8 hours.
Right.
So it's not so easy.
'cause it's
As
different
you all know, we have
applications.
different
Yeah.
applications, heavier, lighter applications, but maximum 8 hours. But of course, it depends on
On the job site
on
is.
the job.
And of course, this is, you know, using the proven Liebherr frame of a product you've had for some time now. But it's electric, so let's go and have a look at what is the actual difference, because there is no diesel engine in this one, folks. And as we come round here, we can see that there isn't anything to look at from a diesel engine perspective. What have we got here? Where are all the different key components that we have and that were replaced where the engine would normally have been?
So you can see, of course, you can see the battery.
Yep.
Here, there's one battery mounted, 32 kilowatts.
Yep.
There's also the possibility to mount the second one.
Right.
Yeah. That's
So I can specify an additional battery
Yeah.
system on that.
same size.
Yeah.
So then you have 64 kilowatt,
Right.
and you can use the machine for double the time.
Exactly. And also you've got then extra counterweight in the machine as well. So for heavier sort of applications, hungry applications as such, that will work well. And so fundamentally, folks, this is very, very clean in the back here. You know, all of your daily checks and all your fluids and stuff, again, from ground level, which is really important, isn't it? So let's walk a little bit further around the machine here. Big, spacious cab, isn't there, in this machine, Mario?
It's the cabin of 507, 509, 514, 518. So a lot of space inside the cabin. We have a touch display inside of this machine, of course, so you can check all the data. You can quite easily work on the touch display. The lever is mounted on the seat, so very comfortable. And air condition, you can have air condition as well, as an option, but you can have it.
Fantastic. So we are here having this electric journey with Liebherr today. So it's time to go, I'm afraid, Mario, to my next electric adventure. See you later. Cheers.
Bye-bye.